Hey there! You're in the right place if you want to learn about the roles, responsibilities, and intricacies of maintenance supervisors. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today, I'll be breaking down what a maintenance supervisor does, their required certifications, and what you should ask when hiring one. Stick around as we delve deep into these topics and more. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about what a maintenance supervisor does. These professionals direct and organize all activities around building systems, equipment operations, safe production standards, and the day-to-day functioning of machines or tools that are critical to organizations. They oversee, direct, and lead the work of maintenance technicians to ensure that the company's goals are met and all laws and regulations are followed. Their responsibilities vary depending on the nature of the business, but typically include planning and directing tasks for a particular shift and ensuring that work is completed in a timely and safe manner. They must make sure that all occupational safety and health, or OSHA, and other pertinent agency rules or government regulations are met. Maintenance supervisors are typically part of middle management and work primarily with the employees and technicians assigned to their shift. They lead and motivate their team, delegate tasks, and may report to a vice president of operations or another company executive. They are measured by key performance indicators such as equipment uptime, schedule compliance, and safety metrics. So, who should hire a maintenance supervisor? Businesses and organizations must review their specific needs, management structure, and employee development process to determine this. In small companies, a maintenance technician might work directly with the owner or president of the organization. In mid-sized or larger companies, a maintenance supervisor may oversee, develop, and manage one or more technicians to accomplish the business's goals. Now let's talk about the different types of maintenance supervisors. They can vary greatly depending on the specific business needs. For example, a plant maintenance supervisor supervises the team and maintains the operations of plant systems and equipment. A building maintenance supervisor oversees technicians who are responsible for the daily upkeep and operations of a building. A facilities maintenance supervisor manages a team that handles minor maintenance and engineering tasks. And a public works maintenance supervisor leads technicians in maintaining public fleet vehicles as well as construction and maintenance activities around a city. So, what certifications are available for maintenance supervisors? Requiring your new hires to carry certain certifications can help you build a strong team from the start. Some of these include the Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional, or CMRP, the Certified Maintenance and Reliability Technician, or CMRT, the Certified Master Technician, and the HVACR certification. Finally, if you're planning on hiring a maintenance supervisor for your organization, you should evaluate three main areas of experience: operational and situational expertise, specific role knowledge, and behavioral or coaching style. Ask questions that assess their understanding of assigning tasks, their knowledge of ISO standards and preventive maintenance regulation, and their people management skills. And that wraps up our deep dive into the role of a maintenance supervisor. We've covered their responsibilities, certifications, and the key considerations when hiring. Remember, these professionals are key to ensuring the smooth operation of your organization's machinery and equipment, so choose wisely. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For additional resources and information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, stay tuned for more from Upkeep.